Hot Wheels launches buildable 90s Honda Civic and S2000 kits. Mattel has expanded its brick shop line with two new buildable model kits, featuring iconic Honda vehicles, a 1990 Civic EF and a 2007 S2000. These Lego-like sets offer enthusiasts a hands-on way to recreate classic cars in 1:32 scale. Detailed replicas for collectors. Both the Civic and S2000 kits boast functional doors, allowing for realistic play and display. The sets also include interchangeable wheel covers and decals from popular aftermarket brands like Sparco and K&Amp, enabling customization. The 1990 Civic EF comes with 248 pieces, finished in a vibrant Tahitian green pearl color, while the 2007 S2000 replica consists of 257 parts. Rising demand and limited availability, priced at $22 each. The kits have already seen high demand. The Civic EF set is currently sold out on the Mattel website, indicating strong interest from collectors and fans of the model. This release marks the first time Honda vehicles have been featured in Mattel's Brick Shop series, highlighting the growing appeal of these accessible, buildable replicas. Why this matters: the popularity of these kits reflects a broader trend in automotive culture, collecting and recreating dream cars through models. These builds appeal to enthusiasts who may not be able to afford the real vehicles, yet still want a tangible connection to the cars they admire. The limited availability of the Civic kit demonstrates how quickly these collectible models can become sought-after items, mirroring the real-world demand for classic Honda vehicles. The Honda Civic EF is a cultural icon among car enthusiasts. The release of this buildable replica allows people to engage with the car's legacy in a new way. These kits are currently available on Mattel's website, with the Civic EF already out of stock.